Hey guys, today we are traveling and surprising my dad who's at the farm. So I want you guys to come with me as we surprise my dad. So the first stop is we are gonna buy Fritos because my dad loves his meat, and we're just going to get some few stuff.
First stop and we're already in a long queue.
There's no long queue. Where are we going?
The coast.
Some of the people are truth. Where are we going? Where are we going?
062.
We're going to Kebabs, guys. On the way to Kebabs. I'm with my brother, but you won't see him. See you guys on the road.
Cheers.
At this point, guys, I was exhausted and we had to wait for the car that's going to take us to our farm, because our farm is a little bit few kilometers away from like Kobarbis. And this is us in a Kataru. A Kataru is just that that taxi that just takes you to your farm, basically. So that's where we are, me and my brother right now. And yeah. It's day number 1, a whole day at the farm. I'll show you guys what we're doing here. And yeah, this is the farm feet. Cows! The cows are out now and going to their houses. They came to drink water. We're home. And look what's the first thing to do at the farm. Wash our father's clothes. The cows are gone. We're just here chilling. My brother is wash machining his clothes. Daddy's sitting right there. This is day number 1, a whole day. Can I say hi? That's not how you say hi. Say hi. Hi guys to my besties. My internet besties. I wash my things. The benefits of this is you're cleaning your feet at the same time. So trying to get wood, guys. Yalla. Shino. Kapi khute. Yes. You broke it. Making the fire. Making the fire, now we have to go cut. Just came back from fetching wood. So now, as you guys could see, we put on the fire and now I need to go cut the cabbage and the meat and all the vegetables because we're making vegetable cabbage soup. So yeah, let's go get ingredients. So, Shino, what are you doing? What were you doing before something? What happened? What happened? So, guys, I'm dicing up the meat so we can put it in the pot. There's the pot. What did it? I want to do this now. So I'm dicing up them into small pieces. Cutting them up in four pieces. This is how my dad likes it. So this is how we also like it. So I'm doing that now. My phone is about to die, so I'm just giving you guys a roundup of everything. This is the potatoes that we need to still cut and the onions, and then after that I'll show you guys the everything. So yeah, okay guys, so that's the end of today's video. Basically we did nothing, we just washed a few clothes, we ate, and I didn't even show you guys the last of everything. It's because I'm too busy, you know. When my dad needs my attention, he needs my attention. So right now it's probably 2:06 right now, and it's getting a little darker and darker. I'm standing by the toilet bathroom because I need to go take a shower right now. Yeah, take a shower and just maybe watch a little soccer with my dad. And then I also forgot to tell you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and if you are an oldie, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we are at the farm and we are it's just my bra. It's just my bra. And we're just here living life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, like I said already, and you guys give it a thumbs up and comment down below, you know, what other things you guys want to see from me. Other than that, see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.